So, number 4 is still asking for each graph, is it a function or not? So, for each value in my domain, for each x value, I can only have one corresponding y value. Since the line x equals some number is a vertical line, they tell you to do the vertical line test. If any vertical line touches more than one point on your graph, it is not a function. So if I drew my vertical line, it only touches one point on my graph. That means for whatever this value of x is, I have my one value of y. It is a function. Same thing here. If I drew my line here, it only touches once. Over here, it only touches once. Anywhere I draw it, it's only going to touch the line one or none time, at most once. If I look at the next graph, if I drew my line there, once, every line I can draw, I only touch once. Yes, that is going to be a function. However, on the next one, if I draw my vertical line, I'm touching my graph here and here. I'm going to have two y values for that x value. That is not going to be a function. And of course, they give you a ton of these, and then I have to figure out where I'm at. So the last two there on that question, is this one a function? No, because if I drew my line right here, I'm going to touch all three of these points. Definitely not a function. How about the last one on that question? Is that a function? Gavin's shaking his head no. If I drew my line right there, I touch it twice. Not a function. I get them all in there on number 5. If I smush it that way, whoops, that's number 4. Helps if I get on number 5. Maybe. So, first one on number 5, is that a function? Yes. If I draw my line, only touches once. The second one. Nope. If I draw my line here, if I can draw my line, it hits twice. The third one. That one looks okay. Nothing's overlapping if I draw a vertical line. The fourth one. No. If I draw my line, I hit it twice. The next one. No. If I drew my line here, I'd hit that twice. I'm going to move this one up because I can't quite see the last one. So on the last one, is that one a function? Yes, it is. If both of these dots were solid dots, then it would be no, but since that top one's open, when I draw my line, technically, if I could draw my line, I'm only touching the bottom, not the top. And so since that one's open and that one's closed, I'm only touching once. So yes, it is a function. It doesn't overlap anywhere else. And then number 6. The first one on number 6, is that a function? Nope. If I drew my line, I touch it twice. The second one on number 6? Nope. If I drew my line there, I touch it twice. The circle? Nope. If I draw my line, I touch it twice. The fourth one? That one looks okay. Nothing's overlapping. Yes, that one's good. The fifth one on number 6. Nope. And my parabola going that way is good.